Hello, and in this tutorial I am going to discuss about one program which is very similar to the one greeting program which I showed you just before, but it will have one extra feature. It will have a slightly different feature. Instead of displaying the greeting message on the in a line, there will be a pop-up message with a greeting message. Like if you write your name, say Charlie Chaplin, a pop-up message box will come up on the screen and it will display hello Charlie Chaplin, something like that. Normally you might have seen many times what pop-up windows are. Like suddenly if something pops up, you have to click on OK, or you have to click on yes or no or cancel, that kind of pop-up window. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same code for the earlier program, and I'm going to make very little modification. I'm going to add one more line, one more import line, that is for Windows. For the pop-up window, we need one more package from the swing class. I will explain to you later in advanced Java what is swing. Import javax.swing.jOptionPane. So this will help us to create this pop-up window. Now I do not need this hello Charlie Chaplin on the line as a text line. I want this as a pop-up window message. So I'm going to delete this line system.out.println from the program. Instead I'm going to write another line, that is jOptionPane. jOptionPane means it will display the pop-up window. jOptionPane dot show message dialog. The reason I call it as a dialog, because it will expect the user to click on the OK button. So there is an interaction with the user. jOptionPane dot show message dialog. The first option is null. Null is important because it is a default. That means that OK button will be in the center of this pop-up window, and this window will be displayed in the center of the screen. Null, and then whatever message you want to display. Now advantage of that, what you can do here, actually it always gives you the advantage of this IDE is it shows you what are the possible options you have. Okay, so jOptionPane dot show message dialog, the first option is null. The second option is the string that you want to display. So you want to display your name, so hello followed by the name. So the name is a variable, string variable. Of course I will discuss later what is a variable. So hello plus means it will concatenate with the string hello with the variable name, hello plus name, and so it will combine hello with the name, whatever name you are going to provide as an input, and it will display that message. You just see what it does. Okay, it is not that difficult. Maybe explaining will be a little bit difficult, but the advantage of showing is that you can understand much faster. So once I run this program using shift F6 or right click and run, it asks for the name. So I provide the name Charlie Chaplin and it shows hello Charlie Chaplin. That's simple. Okay, run again, right click, run file, or shift F6. This time provide a different name, say Johnny Depp. Okay, once upon a time in Mexico, that movie he acted pretty well, Pirates of the Caribbean. So says hello Johnny Depp. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how to run this program from the command prompt using JDK. Now I'm not going to use NetBeans. I'll show you how to run this program using JDK. You can run anything that you run in NetBeans or Eclipse using JDK. Only thing, developing project or program in NetBeans is much faster. So I copy the entire code from NetBeans. What I need to do, I need to select the entire stuff either by pressing Ctrl A or selecting with mouse. Either you can press Ctrl A, or you can select with mouse and then press Ctrl C. Okay, or using mouse you cut or copy. and then go to Notepad and paste it there. So copy from the NetBeans using Ctrl C and paste into Notepad using Ctrl V. Now save this as a file. Remember, the file name will be exactly same as the class name and it is case sensitive. So wherever there is uppercase, you have to use uppercase. So copy from here, it will be better. So it should be simple greetings. So file, save as. I have already selected the directory where I will save the file. It is in my computer, it is D drive, and there is a source Java code and simple greetings.java put within double quote. Okay, now this is little bit small, but anyway, I'll read what I am typing here. Java C, JAVAC space simple greetings.java is case sensitive. Simple is small, start with small, and G is capital. Simple greetings.java, Java C simple greetings.java. The program is compiled. Okay, now so there is no compilation error, so it doesn't show any error. So now run the program using Java Java space simple greetings and ask your name. You provide some name, say Charlie Chaplin or Johnny Depp, and it displays the message, hello Johnny Depp. So in this tutorial I showed you how to write a Windows pop-up message program, greetings program, using NetBeans and using Java Development Kit.